Hi guys, it's Sandy here. Now, you guys have been hounding me to do a room tour, and that's what I'm doing today. Now, I'm just saying you asked for this, not me, so please don't be disappointed. This is a college apartment, and I'm not staying here forever, which is why I don't spend a lot of money on decorations and stuff. I just have mostly essential things in here, so bear that in mind. Also, a lot of the things came with this place, so I can't replace them, like the curtains and the blinds and some of the furniture. And this is like a one bedroom open plan apartment with a little sectioned off bathroom. It's made for one person, so let's just do this. Let's just do this. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning. Now, this is the entrance door. This is like a really old contract that's just stuck to this door. It's probably been there for like 20 years, but I can't do anything about it, so just ignore that. I have this little door stopper thing just to prevent any dust blowing in. My broom and stuff, and then I just have the trash can, and I have a little gas stove, because of load shedding, so when the power does go off I can at least still cook. It's quite nice, I use it really often. Next to this door area I have my little kitchen space, right? So I have a kettle, I have this little stove which also has an oven, and I keep things in the oven. I should probably wash the stove, just ignore that. I keep my dishes here to dry. I keep some groceries in these little drawers here. So like at the bottom is like sweets and stuff. I still have some mochi in here from Amon. And then I have these tapioca pearls as well to make bubble tea. But if I get any sweets, I usually put it in here. This is a mess, but it's also like just cooking stuff and lots of noodles and things, some baking supplies. And then here I keep like my cutlery stuff. And these cupboards here is just more cooking stuff for tea and coffee and my spices and some pots and things. Let's just quickly close that to get the idea. And then in the cupboard below the kitchen sink is where I keep my cleaning supplies. Extra soaps and things, and my candles for when there's load shedding. I have a 25-liter container for purified water. That's dirty dishes I should wash. That's from breakfast. Yeah, just my little sink area, totally normal. I use this really nice antibacterial sunlight. Kills 99.9% germs. I use these disposable gloves to wash my dishes, by the way. Lol. And then I have a toaster, bread box. I eat brown bread. I have my microwave. This came with the place. And then I store my Tupperwares and containers on top of the microwave. I don't know why I do this. Over the years, I just started doing this naturally. It's just easy to grab. I have my fridge. Yeah, I'm not gonna open that. You don't need to see what's inside. And then let's turn this. I have this bench that just came with the place, so I can't get rid of it. I don't like it. I can't sit on it. It's not comfortable. I have this little unicorn sequin pillow thing I just put there, and then I have this little wooden table thing which is really terrible, but I mean, yeah, it does its job. It's super ugly though. Came with the place. Honestly, all the furniture that came with this place is super ugly and old. So I have these two like chairs. They're just there because where else can I put them? And that's just my university bag, and that's like my bag, my going out handbag. Oh yeah, we have my washing basket and bottles of purified water. And then this is like my vanity area. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this. I have my makeup brushes, I have my eyeshadow palettes, my skincare stuff and other things. I have this nice little acrylic container for lip products and eyelash products and stuff, and just vanity stuff. This is my Novena Blockbuster collection box. Also, I have drawers below the vanity table. And this is like my go-to items. Okay, these are my necklaces, which I need to organize properly. Ugh, I'm such a mess. I really don't know. I don't know what you expected because I can't make this aesthetic even if I tried. I have a mirror I use for makeup, my cat ears that I use for my videos and stuff. I have my disposable masks. I can just grab one when I go out. I keep them in a like sealed little bag so they don't get contaminated. I have a little sanitizer. I have some scrunchies that I can just grab and go. Yeah, my reading glasses. And this is where I keep my earrings. These are my most frequently used. I like keeping them like this because then I actually use them. And then in here it's just like random makeup products that need a place to go, you know. I have like this concealer palette, and then this is like random makeup products, like just like things that I don't use very often but I need to keep with me, like some hair products and stuff. Ooh, I also have a cute little lint roller. How cute is this? It's pink. Oh, it's dirty. Okay, let me close this. And next I have this bookshelf here. Right, I bought this. It didn't come with the place. I just have those unicorns on top. And this random thing that I bought from Mr. Price Home. Most of my decorations are from Mr. Price Home, if I have any decorations. I have my files where I keep my university work, and I have this snake. His name is Albert. Albert guards my headphones, okay? I have some colorful cookies and more books and stuff and just university related paperwork things. I have a printer. I just keep it on a lower shelf because I don't use it often. I take it out and plug it in whenever I do need to use it. I like to save paper where possible. I use these boxes with the clasps to store like my jewelry and just like cosmetic products and, you know, just other random things. So like this is my fancy jewelry. It's a bit of a mess right now, but like I have fancy rings and yeah, it's a mess. Like, oh yeah, I need to clean this. I really need to clean this. Maybe I'll do a video organizing these things. But yeah, it's my fancy jewelry in here. This over here is like my workstation. So I had to buy this chair myself. It didn't come with the place. It's got nice back support and, you know, it's a swivel chair. Below that I just have a little trash can for tissues because I blow my nose a lot. I have a lot of allergies and I have a little heater. My really nice keyboard that I bought, although I spilled nail polish remover on it already. Do you know how angry I was when that happened? Because I spent a lot of money on this keyboard. It has its own software to control its lighting. So let's do wave. This is wave. I really love this keyboard. I do not regret buying it at all. The customizable color options are amazing. And yeah, I just connect my laptop to a 24-inch monitor. I think it's 24-inch. And then I have speakers as well. And I have this really cute little Sailor Moon mouse that has color changing lights. It matches my Sailor Moon glass as well. Then this is just my bed. I just have some neutral bedding going on. I had a unicorn bedding on, but I put that for the wash recently. I have a furry blanket because it's cold now, it's winter, and then there's just a window there. And my neighbor's property. What do I have here? I have a calendar. I keep an iron up there. And in this corner, it's just like random gift bags and art supplies in the packet. In that Marilyn Monroe box is also just art supplies because sometimes I do like painting and just crafts and stuff. This TV and aerial came with the place. I do not use it at all. It's not even plugged in. There's the white plug over there. It's just taking up space, honestly. I wish I could get rid of it. Then this closet over here is where I keep my clothes that need to be hung and my shoes. I kind of try to color coordinate my closet
kind of, sort of. I hang my bags in the side there. Oh, I have this little poster that I got for free. Guardians of the Galaxy 2 was still showing in theaters. And then I just keep my shoes at the bottom. Yeah, the boxes are the high heels, and then I just like leave the sneakers over there. I have some boots as well behind there. Nothing too interesting. And this over here is also a closet where I can keep clothes that I can fold, and like my towels and linen and stuff. I'm not gonna open this drawer because I'm not gonna show you my underwear. Like, no. And over here, I don't think any of you guys have ever seen this. It's my bathroom. This is the door. It's a sliding door. Ooh. I have this, just a shower curtain, and my shower area is ratchet like everything else in this place. It's like super ratchet, and yeah, let's just close that again. But my shampoo is nice. I love this Dove Glowing Ritual shampoo with lotus flower and rice water. Like, the theme of my bathroom is like blue, so I have like the blue mats going on, even blue buckets there. I keep my toothbrush in this little container, and my toothpaste. I don't like leaving my toothbrush open. I feel like bacteria collects on there. And this is just like, yeah, bathroom cabinet with normal bathroom cabinet things. I have 2 lip scrubs. This is like the only perfume that I use. It's in the scent Rose Jam. It's from Lush. It's like almost 400 rand for this bottle, but there's a lot of perfume in here and it doesn't get finished. And I'm using this Pond's face wash currently. I have like a face mask there. This is the thing to wash my makeup brushes with. And then I have like medicines like Enos, Panados, Rennies, Strepsils, my asthma pumps, my roll-on, shower cap, plasters, Body Shop cleansing butter. And that's it. That is super underwhelming. I think that is realistically how any student would live, because the American student apartment tours are just make me depressed. I spend little to no money on decorations though. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!